Welcome to Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We're passionate about transforming discarded wood into beautiful, profitable furniture. Stay tuned for creative ideas and tips. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring craft and decor content. Join us on this eco-friendly journey today. Today, we're exploring the beautiful fusion of traditional sari fabrics with vintage wood, furniture and artistic crafts. This hub is dedicated to inspiring artisans, decorators, and homeowners to transform old, worn-out wooden pieces into stunning masterpieces. By blending the timeless elegance of sari fabrics with rustic wood, you can create unique decor items that tell a story. Our focus is on sustainability, creativity, and cultural heritage. Whether you're a craft enthusiast or a professional designer, this platform offers innovative ideas to revamp old furniture and craft artistic decor that enhances any space. Keep watching to discover how you can breathe new life into aged wood, making it a centerpiece of beauty and craftsmanship. Using vibrant sari fabrics, you can upholster or accentuate furniture like chairs, tables, and cabinets, transforming them into eye-catching focal points. The rich textures and colors of sari fabrics add a cultural touch, creating a perfect blend of tradition and modernity. To start, clean and sand the wood for a smooth surface. Then, select sari fabrics that complement your decor theme. Use adhesive or upholstery techniques to attach the fabric securely. This simple yet artistic approach not only enhances the aesthetic appeal but also promotes recycling, making your furniture eco-friendly and unique. You can create intricate patchwork designs, embroidery, or dyeing techniques to give your crafts a personalized touch. These artistic crafts are perfect for home decor, gifts, or even gallery exhibitions. Using old wood as a base adds a rustic charm that complements the vibrant sari fabrics beautifully. Experiment with layering, contrasting colors, and textures to make each piece truly one of a kind. This approach not only celebrates cultural artistry but also encourages sustainable practices. Thank you for visiting Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We appreciate your support and interest in sustainable furniture making. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe to our channel for more inspiring tips and ideas. Together, we can create beautiful, eco-friendly pieces and make a positive impact.